Bonjour, hello dear colleagues. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. I wanted to leave you with this takeaway. Many people are afraid, colleagues, we who are tourist guides, who speak for a living, standing out in the sun with umbrellas and flags, and yet we're afraid to speak to a camera. Why is that? Can we be frightened of something that won't harm us? The camera will not harm us. But if we were in the forest or in the jungle in Kenya with a lion chasing after us, that's frightful. I'm going to teach you in a really fun, easy way how to get confidence in front of the camera and how to use that confidence to create short, mini video clips to help sell your tours, to help promote your tours. I'm going to show you the who, the why, the what's. I'm going to show you what is really important. I'm going to show you some very easy editing techniques that you can do on the phone. In fact, some of them just do everything for you, and you can begin with that until you build your confidence, and then you can do more editing if you wish. It's really important today that we be visible as tourist guides. And the best way to do that, of course, is online and speaking to our audience. One of the other things that we're going to discuss in the workshop is really how to target your audience. It's not enough to just put things out there and hope that visitors and tourists will come here. You need to really target your audience for that particular message or tour. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I have been giving online workshops for 10 years already, and I generally give this workshop to entrepreneurs and people who work in sales. Recently, I gave the workshop to the Federation of European Guides, and hopefully I will have the pleasure of giving the workshop to you as well. À très bientôt. See you soon.